Welcome back. Only one requirement before you get started. Make sure you have Node.js installed in your system. So let's set up a new Svelte project. We're gonna base it on the official Svelte project template, which is available as a GitHub project on this page right here. I'll put a link in the description. So let's run this npx command to set it up locally. So I'm gonna copy this, go over to my terminal, and then go to a directory where I keep my projects. Now I'll paste the command I just copied, and I'm also going to change the name of the project to learn-svelte. Let's go into the project that was just created, and now let's install the dependencies. Once that's done, we're going to start the development server. Cool, and now just open up this address in the browser. In my case, it's localhost on port 8080. Great, that's it. Now we can see the template project is successfully set up and we're ready. Let's open up our favorite code editor like VS Code. And now I'll just open up the project directory. And then I'll go over to the Svelte component file app.svelte. You see this HTML markup here? That's what we just saw rendered in the browser. A good thing about the development server is that it's running in the background and listening to the changes. So if I do a change in the Svelte component, like this for example, and I save the file, the dev server recompiles and the page gets refreshed automatically with those changes. Right, that's it. Hope you got everything set up as well. If you want to stay updated on the upcoming videos, hit that subscribe and bell button and see you next time.